Hi everyone, I hope you all had a great Christmas this year. Let's celebrate this new year with this delicious homemade cream cheese chocolate truffles. It's so easy to make and the ingredients are very simple too. Let's get started.
Shred 1 cup of white chocolate and melt it. I'm going to do the double boiling method. Fill the pan with water and place over low heat. Put the bowl with the chocolate over the hot water and allow it to melt. Take 1 cup of room temperature cream cheese and blend it smoothly with a spoon. Into that, add the melted chocolate and mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Put parchment paper on a plate or a tray. Take a spoonful of cream cheese chocolate mixture and place it on the tray. Cover it with cling wrap and put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. This is after 30 minutes. Make them into a round shape and this time leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes. In the meantime, melt milk chocolate for the coating. Take 1 cup of chocolate and double boil it over hot water like we did before. This is after 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Take each one and dip it into the melted chocolate and place it on the parchment paper to dry. After drying, drizzle some melted white chocolate on the top for decoration. Looks so delicious and tastes so good too. Perfect treat for you and your family for this new year. If you want, you may leave them in the refrigerator to dry.
See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye. Happy New Year everyone.